used Honda transmissions, common issues and fixes. Welcome to Gear Shift Auto Parts. If you're driving a Honda and starting to feel those gears slip, or worse, not shift at all, this video is just for you. Today, we're diving into the most common problems with used Honda transmissions and, more importantly, how to fix them without breaking the bank. Honda transmissions, especially from models like the Accord, Civic, and Odyssey, are known for reliability, but they're not immune to wear and tear. Some common issues include slipping gears. You'll notice inconsistent shifting or the engine revving high before changing gears. Delayed engagement. You shift into drive or reverse, and there's a pause before anything happens. Burnt transmission fluid. A dark or burnt smell from the fluid often means overheating or excessive friction inside the transmission. Torque converter failure. This causes shaking or shuddering, especially at low speeds. Most of these issues pop up after 100,000 plus miles, especially if the car hasn't been properly maintained. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We drop weekly videos on used auto parts, used engines and transmissions, everything you need to keep your ride running strong. Now, what can you do when your Honda transmission starts acting up? First, check and replace the transmission fluid. Sometimes that's all it takes. Second, if the damage is deeper, a rebuild or remanufactured transmission might be an option, but those can cost thousands. That's where used Honda transmissions from Gear Shift Auto Parts come in. We offer quality-tested, low-mileage transmissions with warranty options at a fraction of the cost of new or rebuilt units. Our inventory includes used Honda Civic CVT transmissions, 6-speed automatics for Accord's transmission, plus engine bundles for full drivetrain swaps. And if you're unsure what fits your model, our experts can guide you. Press that subscribe button if you haven't already. And stay updated on affordable solutions for all things engines and transmissions. Still have questions? Ready to order a used Honda transmission that fits your budget and your vehicle? Thanks for watching.